Hi, Scott with Water Heaters Only, and welcome to another edition of It's Good to Know, where we share our water heater expertise in an informational video blog. In this segment, we're talking ratings plates. Ratings plates have all kinds of useful information, specifically size and age of the water heater. It's really important for anyone, especially property managers or individual owners, to know the age of the water heaters. If it's really old, it probably should be replaced sooner than later. Preemptive replacement could save money from water damage, especially depending on where it is located, such as the kitchen or inside closet. As we said, the rating plate gives all kinds of good information, including the manufacturer, the BTUs or British thermal units, gallon capacity, wattage information for electrical water heaters, manufacturer date, and as we mentioned, the model and serial number. Model and serial number, as we said, give the age of the water heater. Not only that, the size of the water heater, whether it be a 40, 50, or even 100 gallon. The ratings plate can usually be found in the front of the water heater near the middle or upper section. If you have any questions about where to locate the ratings plate or questions about the model and serial number, call Water Heaters Only. We'll help you determine the age using the serial number. It's often the first few digits, but sometimes letters are used instead of numbers and can be a little confusing. Not only that, but each manufacturer uses different systems, and model and serial number systems can change from the same manufacturer. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Always happy to help. This is Scott with Water Heaters Only. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.